All right, we're going to start. So the first thing I will start by showing you all is the OCR. So what OCR is it's basically making any PDFs that you share with your students accessible for screen readers. The most common screen reader that most of our kids use is Read&Write, especially because it can be on their Chromebooks with the add-on, the extension, which if you have any students that may or may not have it, those instructions are on the continuing ed website through LCPS, and it's very quick how to add that extension, but basically it's just going to the Chrome store if any of you don't have it either. But once you have it installed, it will be this little purple puzzle piece with an RW just popped up on my screen that can be used within Google Docs, Google Sheets, slides, as well as on the internet. But first, we need to make sure that the materials that they're reading can actually be read. And what happens is when you have a document that is not OCR and you open it in with Read&Write, give it a second to open, you will probably get, you may not get a blank page. Usually you get something on here, but you'll get something at the top that says, we can't find any text in this document. It may not have been scanned using OCR. Sometimes it will show the text and you have to use a different feature to read the document. What happens is a lot of the documents that we use for, that we scan using the school copiers, it says it's a PDF, but really what it did is it took a picture. So it doesn't see all that writing as words. So you have to run it through something that will do OCR and change it for you. So what I'm going to do is show you how to do that. Either on your desktop or in here, you should have Adobe Acrobat. If you don't, you can download it through the portal. We are working on a little snafu with that. Some are and some aren't able to get it because we are not on LCPS networks. So hopefully you already have it. But if you launch Adobe Acrobat, you'll see this up here. It says Tools, and then Edit. You want to click Open, and then pick where your file is. I put them on my desktop, and I'm going to click Open. You'll see that down here at the bottom, it is performing page recognition. It's converting everything. So boom, it's converted. What you want to, the last step you want to do is click Settings, and just make sure that that button's checked to make all the pages editable. What happens is it automatically just does the first page, but typically you want the whole document to be able to be read. So then you click OK, and then you click Save, and you are good to go. So then once you upload it to wherever you're putting it for the students, when they open it, or if you have opened it in your drive, you do have to open it and say open with Read&Write. Otherwise it'll open it with normal Adobe or some other program. Then it opens. So I won't start it because you won't be able to hear it because of the Google Meet. But when they play it, it will actually read. It's me right now. Sorry. It actually will pull it up and will read the document now. It is now translated everything that was in that document into actual words for people to hear with Read&Write.